It's worth the money. So videos. We've talked about videos. Now that I have my ski ebook, I can now create videos, because in my SurveyMonkey results, they told me that they wanted beginner videos. This is just a for instance. I haven't done a SurveyMonkey yet. Okay? So they told me they want a beginners series videos. I have my cousin Chris. He's going to do those videos for me. If I didn't, I probably wouldn't do this product. If I live somewhere near a ski resort, then I would go on Craigslist and say, hey, I need a ski instructor to spend a few hours with me. I'm creating a product. I'm going to pay you X amount of money. And of course, you need to have some legal documents, as I said, drawn up for that. Again, I'm not a lawyer. I cannot advise you on legal documents at all. The legal documents I make them sign an NDA, which is a non-disclosure agreement. And then I make them sign a rights policy where they basically give me free reign of it. And then there's a video one that you had to have them to sign because of them being on camera. And there's probably more. So don't take my word for it. Don't go start creating your own legal documents. I cannot give you any legal advice. Now that I'm in this niche and I have an ebook and I have my beginner videos, I know my cousin Chris. He knows lots of other instructors. So maybe I go back to my list of topics. Let's put the list back up here. My list of topics. You're going to use this a lot. Go back to my list of topics. And Chris knows lots of other instructors. So maybe I could interview the instructors. What are some of the common mistakes that new skiers make? What are the best skiing destinations to visit, and why do you think so? There's all kinds of topics. Now, I have an audio CD to go with my product. Membership site. I'm going to build a community site. I'm going to put a big C here for community. Sorry, I'm supposed to be staying to the right of this. Big C for community. And they're going to be able to come in and have like it's going to be like a Facebook style site. They can come in, they post their own profiles, they can meet other people that ski. There's a dating section, so you can find your new girlfriend or boyfriend who skis too. They're called ski bunnies. They still are. I thought that was just some kind of like 50s term, but the girls are still called ski bunnies. So I'm going to have some kind of continuity membership. The membership site and the community site, sometimes they're together, sometimes they're different. Maybe the membership site is they get access to a instructor. Pay a monthly fee for a ski instructor that advises them on what to do. Or maybe I do like a celebrity type thing and offer a VIP section to, this is their ski instructor. When they come to this resort to go skiing, there's a lot of money in this niche, by the way. When they come to this resort to go skiing, they get their VIP instructor, and he takes them to all the slopes that they're not allowed on. So this could be another continuity thing here. Software, I can't create software. I've thought about it last night, and I thought about it, and I thought about it. The only type of software I could even think of is for, I know that there's a lot of corporate ski trips. So for the corporations, a software program that allows them to keep track of their expenses. That's as good as I could get, guys. And I had to dig for that one. So now I have the membership site, community site, and we're not even going to put software up there. Now, there's lots of different things I can do here. I can now have a $27 ebook, or I can bundle a product and have a $97 product with a back end to continuity. Or I can just bundle these two guys together, say $47, and the upsell is the audios for another $27 or another $10, whatever it is. Or you can get the whole entire package for one big high ticket price. This is exactly what I'm thinking about when I go into any niche. How many products can I create in this niche? How far deep can I go? How much recurring income can I make off these people? And my cousin Chris tells me that there are a lot of stars that do this whole ski thing. And something that him and his buddies do, and they're not supposed to do, is they have a website where they report who's going to be where. And they make people pay to come. If, X celebrity is going to be, at the Colorado Evergreen, I forget what they're called, Lodge. And they'll be like, if you want or so-and-so is going to be at blank, 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 blank. Pay us $200 and we'll tell you dates and times. Yeah, they're pretty sneaky, those freaking ski instructors.
Listen to your example of the audio versus the beginner's video. What are they going to get in the audio, you think, versus the video?
The video, this is going to be the actual ski instructor showing them the beginner stuff, because in my SurveyMonkey results, they told me they wanted beginner videos. And then this audio, like I said, is going to be me talking to different instructors about, all the different ski destinations they can go to, the difficulties of the slopes that are there. And at this point, I'm just pulling things out of my head. I almost said something else. I had to stop. The filter is on today. You guys are lucky. Usually I don't come equipped with a filter. So, your money is in your back end. I could now take...
That's because you just pulled it out.
Yeah, it's because I just pulled it all out. I just pulled all these products out of my back end. Your money is definitely going to be in your back end. You guys saw all that with what Jeff just went through. There's a lot of money in back end marketing. It's very important that you guys get this. My coaching students that are in my 1 in 90 program, there's 2 phases. There's phase 1, and as what they do is they create, 3 to 5 products. Now, the thing is, in order to move on to phase 2, they have to have a back end. They cannot move any further, because if you don't have a back end, you're not going to make money. So here's my strategy for this. $17 ebook that I give 75% commissions to affiliates. Put this on ClickBank. Okay? So there's our front end product. Do level 1. When traffic comes to the site and they buy, they are taken to an upsell. In the internet marketing niche, it's called a one-time offer. No matter if it's a one-time offer or not, a lot of times. They have trashed the one-time offer. Badly. So that's going to be my back end product. And let's say it's $27. I'm going to pay 50% to my affiliates here. Then I stop. This is only niches outside of internet marketing, guys. Please let me be very clear on that. What I'm talking about right now are only niches outside of internet marketing. What Jeff taught you about, paying all the way through, that's an internet marketing thing. We like to be paid on everything. Everything. Pay us on everything. You had a new kid? Give me money. That's just how we are. We can't help it. So you stop right there. You quit putting your products on ClickBank, and you just start hooking them to your PayPal account, your authorized net account. And now, your continuity site, maybe your audio CD that you did, you're going to make 100% of the money on. All these people are doing, you really don't even care if you make money on this. You really don't care. That's your lost leader stuff. If Click allowed me to give 100% commissions here and 100% commissions here, I'd do it all day long. But in niches outside of internet marketing, the whole 100% commission thing, not flying yet. There's a need for someone to step up and go, hey, there's a huge need for affiliates here. There's a huge need for products here. I thought about doing it. I don't have the time or patience or energy for that one. Jeff talked me out of it. He says I have too many projects. I don't care about anything here, because I know here I'm going to make money on this product. On this product, I'm going to get a list of buyers. That's all I want. Keep your freebie seekers. I am very, in my other niches outside of internet marketing, because I don't feel like I'm really teaching, in the other niches, I'm very cutthroat. buyer, get off my list. Buyer, get off my list. I don't want you on my list if you're not a buyer. If you don't have a credit card and don't know how to order online, get off my list. That's all I want are these buyers. Because now that I have this buyer list, I can go and I can find all kinds of other products, all kinds of other services, and I can email them whenever I want. And every time I email them, I'm going to make money. I get a payday every time I get a buyer's list in any niche because I can always find products to promote to them. So we kind of started this out. I think this is my last slide, actually. Nope. We kind of started this out with just creating an ebook. And then I showed you how to create the videos and then audios and getting ideas for software products and stuff like that. And you see what it's turned into now. Does everybody understanding this more and more now from what Jeff taught you before me and now me bringing it down to just the little steps outside of the internet marketing stuff? Everybody understanding so far? Like I said, I'm going to check in with you guys because I want to make sure that you understand where I'm going with this stuff. Because now we're going to talk about how to get these affiliates and stuff like that. Everybody clear so far? Can we get her a microphone? Hold on one second. We got to get you on the mic. He's got her one.
Yeah, I just would like to ask a question about this so everybody gets a good idea. My question was in the stage at the beginning there when you were saying byproduct during the research phase. Mm-hmm. So how are you doing that? Like, do you have a budget or, I mean, by all related topics? I know what the idea is to see what they're talking about, how they hit it off. But I mean, I have no idea because I don't do this, but how much would that cost you typically?
Depending on the niche. I usually, if there's only like 2 or 3 products, I'll buy all of them. But usually 5 or 6 products is all. I've never bought more than 6 products. Because once there's 6 products on it, they've done it to death.
Yeah.
You can still come in and do more because you're going a step further with the survey stuff.
Yeah.
But if there's more than 5 or 6 products, I'm just like, it's probably just regurgitated information. And I look at the sales letters. If the sales letters point out key things that are in it that I don't have on my list of topics, definitely buying it.
Okay. So it's also a good opportunity to see how your competition would be.
Exactly. Spy on
then
them.
you could kill the whole process right there, right? Because if it's saturated.
Exactly. You always spy on your competition. It's just like being in the military. You always want to know what the other guy's doing. Always. And what I'm telling you guys here, there's not a lot of us that do it, but those of us who do it, we will slit your throat. Mm-hmm. In the niche marketing thing, it is like piranhas. Everybody's looking at what everybody's doing. Everybody's buying everybody's product to see if there's a new sales system going on or a new email that's coming out or if they're doing this or if they're doing that. You need to be tracking all that stuff too.
Yeah, I totally agree with that.
Yeah, make sure you're looking at the processes. That's a skill you gotta have.
My next question is about videos. I don't know about the rest of you, but technically, like, how would you start that process? I mean, I understand that would be the objective. So what do you do? Like, you go and get a camera? I mean, besides the fact you go and hire a videographer or a kid or whatever, like, what do you do, for instance?
Now, I can't reveal the niche because it's a really obscure niche that I like I said, it's cutthroat. I'll cut you. But
I think I'm going to write an ebook on this cutthroat. I'm going to interview you, Jeff, and all your friends.
I won't tell anything.
And then I'm going to put it on my blog.
It's all a secret. It's a conspiracy. No, is what I did in this niche is at our local college. Because it's like it's a kid thing.
That's where I'm thinking of going to.
Yeah, it's a kid thing. We have a community college in Chattanooga, and we also have the University of Tennessee at Chattanooga. And go Vols. And we're not Vols down there. But anyway, get me off on a football tangent. Is what I did is I went to the community college and I posted something on the board. They have like a community board. And the product, I paid like $100 for this kid to do, for his buddy to do. He's even said, "Oh, and I can totally take care of the video stuff for you. I got a friend that's a videographer and da 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 da." And for it was like $100 to $200 tops, and lots of beer, and I think like a trip to McDonald's and for their Happy Meals. They were happy, and I have this product, and it makes me a couple grand a month.
Yeah. Okay, that's what.